afternoon, property.
Hi there, I'm just ringing about the property that you've got on Portalet Road.
Yes. Oh, sorry, it's gone, that one. It's gone with another agent.
Oh, it's gone with another agent. Has it sold or has it just been stolen?
Well, it was on with two agents. The other agent's got an offer that's been accepted on it.
Oh, that's annoying. It was such a nice house.
Oh, it was cash only, that one, you know.
That's perfect. That's what I'm looking to do. I'm looking to buy them cash. Buy them cash, fix them up and then sell them.
Yeah, it has gone with another agent. We were told to take it off. It's still on bank move, is it?
I think so, yeah. I've just seen it online. But have you got any others? Have you got any other little flips?
Do you know what? As soon as they come in, they're just flying out to investors at the moment.
I know.
I haven't got anything else. As I say, I put one on the other day and it was gone within a few hours.
Well,
it's just backed out because there's not a lot of stock on at the moment, you see. So as soon as
I know.
it comes in. What's your budget?
My budget it depends on the deal. I'm looking for flips, so I mean I've got a few $100,000 cash, so it just depends on like how much profit I can make. But I know they're few and far between. I know they'll sell super fast, but I mean I could go.
Are you looking just to flip it or?
Yeah, buy it and then sell it or refinance it.
Yeah. See, I've got one in. It's 200,000. The one next door, I think, sold at 240. Now it does need a full hit on it, though. So it depends on like how much you're looking to spend on it, really.
Yeah. I mean, the only thing is,
it needs damp proof. It needs electric.
Yeah.
It needs kitchen, bathroom, full refurb.
Yeah.
Minimum 20 it needs on it.
Yeah.
Not a lot in that for you, or?
Not a lot in it. I mean, I'm sure you do get juicy deals from time to time. I know they sell real quick. I mean, what do I need to do to be the dude that you pick up the phone to? I mean, what do you need? What do you need from me? Because honestly, I mean, what could I possibly do?
Do you know what? It's at the moment because you wouldn't even say, to be honest with you, it's guaranteed. Like a lot of people think it's just guaranteed to certain investors. It's not. I think it's just about building trust up with someone that the investors are offering, and then they're not kind of letting you down halfway through the sale, and then they buy another one off you, and the same happens again. It's just building that.
Yeah. Let me give you my details. Give me a shot because honestly, I can move really quick. I am busy and stuff, but you know I don't mess about. And if the price is right, I'll buy it and I'll complete fast. So you know, give me a shot. If you get something that comes up in the future and you think it's a good deal and it fits, just give me a shot.
I'm valuing them all the time anyway. So, what's your name?
My name's Samuel Leeds, L-E-E-D-S.
Leeds.
Yeah, like the place. Yeah.
And your number, Daniel?
Sorry, Samuel. Samuel.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right.
Daniel.
You know what? You can call me whatever you want as long as you give me deals. I'm easy.
Would you buy something without viewing it?
Well, yeah, I would. Yeah, I would.
I've got a really good house. It's in really good. You're gonna have to be around the 210 mark with it though. But it's extended at the back. I wouldn't say it needs kind of any damp proof or electricity doing, but it does need like new kitchen, bathroom refurbished. Now, I think I've got 25 people waiting to go and view this property. Now, at the moment, the tenant's not letting anybody in because she works for the NHS and she said she's not accommodating anyone till after lockdown.
Okay.
However, a couple of people have been interested in offering on it. The vendor will take an offer on it as long as you're prepared to offer without seeing it, and then once the lockdown's lifted, you can go in. Now, there is pictures online, and I have been into it. It's a 3-bed extended semi with a garage in a really, really, really good area. Now, I think if you've done that up all in the market at the moment, all singing and dancing, you're probably going to get around, I think, about 270 for it.
Okay.
Just because they flew up down there.
And how much does it need spending on it? How much do you reckon it needs spending on it?
It depends on what work you. I think you could possibly do it for like 15, 17 grand.
Okay. Well, if we bought it for 210 and spent 20 on it, 230 in total, and then it was, and we did a good refurb, and then it was worth like 270, 280. Okay.
Yeah.
What I'll do, because as I say, I would be happy to. I'm an investor, so as long as the numbers stack, I'm not too fussed. From what you've said, it sounds really good. Let me crunch some numbers and speak to my partner, and I might even have a drive-by. I know we can't go in it, but
no, there should be a board up. It's number 3. So if I could just ask you, please don't knock with the
I won't do that. I won't do that.
And if she knocks, then you know, we've got no chance of even getting in after.
I understand.
The air tenancy's due up in May, so she's due to vacate in May.
So what we'd do then, what we'd want to do, we'd buy it without looking at it. I mean, would we be able to, before we bought it, would we be able to get a survey on it, or would the tenant not even let us?
This is the problem, you see. I don't know. Now, even if you started the legal path, and start moving that way, and then maybe get the survey hopefully in February. March,
that's what I'm thinking. If we got the ball rolling,
that's the only thing.
If we got the ball rolling on it, and then we'd have to, I mean, we just have to work out exactly how it would roll, because I don't mind buying it without looking at it. I've done that many times before, but I wouldn't want to buy it so blind that a surveyor can't even get in it, because then it could have all kinds of problems.
No, I know.
You know, I mean, I'd rather a surveyor. If I don't go round, but a surveyor goes round, that's better than me going round, because they know more than I do, so I don't have to see it. But before we actually paid the full amount. But it sounds interesting. Let me think on that. Do you reckon then, if I bought that place, spent 15, 20 grand on it, put Howden's kitchen in it, did it nice, you reckon I'd be able to resell that like 270, 280 back with yourselves?
I think 280, you'd be pushing it at a 3-bedroom at 280, to be honest with you.
Okay.
I think maybe
270.
I think 270 if you'd done it to a nice spec. Maybe Howden's kitchen's fine, but it just needs because it has a big extension, you see, on the back of it now, which makes the lounge dining massive at the back. Now it's got a big garden, which is very unusual to have a garden and exit as well. So that's why it's getting so much attention.
Yeah.
But it's just the sticking point is the tenants at the moment. Unfortunately.
Okay. I'll have a little look see on the website. I'll give you a call back.
All right.
Thanks so much.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thanks,
Bye.
Samuel. Bye.
Cheers. Bye. Let's go view it, man. Let's just do a drive-by. There's so many like that where though we can't get in it, but we can still go on the outside and we can start crunching some numbers. Yeah. Some of these houses are in such a bad state, we can just assume the worst and do our calculations on the case that we have to re-gut them.
Yeah.
But I reckon let's just go and have a look. See, let's do a little drive-by.